Welcome to our deep dive into global manufacturing and outsourcing. In today's interconnected world, companies face a complex web of decisions when it comes to producing goods efficiently and cost-effectively. From choosing the right location for factories to deciding whether to keep production in-house or outsource, these choices can make or break a business. Over the next several scenes, we'll explore the key considerations behind offshoring, contract manufacturing, and maintaining high standards of quality control. Let's start by understanding the basics of global manufacturing and why it's become such a critical topic for businesses worldwide. Offshoring refers to relocating business processes or production to another country, often to take advantage of lower labor costs or favorable regulations. This strategy allows companies to remain competitive by reducing expenses and accessing new markets. However, offshoring is not without its challenges. Companies must consider factors like cultural differences, communication barriers, and the complexities of managing operations from afar. In this scene, we'll break down the main reasons companies choose to offshore and the potential risks involved. One of the primary benefits of offshoring is cost savings. By moving production to countries with lower labor costs, companies can significantly reduce their expenses. Additionally, offshoring can provide access to specialized skills and technologies that may not be available locally. Companies also benefit from being closer to emerging markets, which can help them respond more quickly to changing customer demands. However, these advantages must be weighed against the risks and challenges that come with managing operations in a different country. While offshoring offers many benefits, it also introduces significant risks. Companies may face challenges related to quality control, intellectual property protection, and supply chain disruptions. Communication barriers and time zone differences can make it difficult to manage overseas operations effectively. Additionally, political instability or changes in trade policies can impact the reliability of offshore manufacturing. It's essential for businesses to carefully assess these risks before making offshoring decisions. Contract manufacturing involves hiring a third-party company to produce goods on your behalf. This approach allows businesses to focus on their core competencies, such as design and marketing, while leveraging the manufacturing expertise of specialized partners. Contract manufacturing can be a cost-effective solution, especially for companies that lack the resources or infrastructure to produce goods themselves. However, it requires careful selection of partners and clear agreements to ensure quality and reliability. There are several advantages to using contract manufacturing. Companies can save on capital investments in equipment and facilities, reduce operational complexity, and scale production up or down as needed. Additionally, contract manufacturers often have established supply chains and quality control systems in place. This can lead to faster time to market and improved product quality. However, it's important to maintain strong relationships and clear communication with manufacturing partners. Despite its benefits, contract manufacturing comes with its own set of challenges. Companies may face issues related to quality control, intellectual property protection, and dependency on external partners. Misaligned goals or poor communication can lead to delays or subpar products. It's crucial to conduct thorough due diligence when selecting contract manufacturers and to establish clear contracts that outline expectations, quality standards, and dispute resolution processes. Quality control is a critical aspect of both offshoring and contract manufacturing. Ensuring that products meet the required standards is essential for maintaining customer satisfaction and brand reputation. Companies must implement robust quality control processes, including regular inspections, testing, and audits. This helps to identify and address issues early, reducing the risk of defective products reaching the market. Effective quality control also involves clear communication of expectations to manufacturing partners. Establishing clear quality standards is the foundation of effective quality control. Companies must define the specifications and performance criteria for their products and communicate these standards to all manufacturing partners. This includes setting acceptable tolerances, testing methods, and documentation requirements. By providing detailed guidelines, businesses can ensure that their products consistently meet customer expectations, regardless of where they are manufactured. Using the right manufacturing partner is crucial for success in global manufacturing. Companies should evaluate potential suppliers based on their technical capabilities, financial stability, reputation, and track record for quality. Site visits and audits can provide valuable insights into a supplier's operations and quality control systems. Building strong relationships with reliable partners helps to ensure consistent product quality and timely delivery. Well-managed supply chain is essential for successful global manufacturing. Companies must coordinate the flow of materials, components, and finished products across multiple locations and partners. This requires effective logistics, inventory management, and communication. By leveraging technology and building strong relationships with suppliers, businesses can minimize disruptions and ensure a steady supply of high-quality products. Protecting intellectual property, IP, is a major concern in global manufacturing and outsourcing. Companies must take steps to safeguard their designs, patents, and trade secrets when working with overseas partners. This can include using non-disclosure agreements, registering IP in relevant countries, and limiting access to sensitive information. Vigilant monitoring and legal action may be necessary to address potential infringement. Cost is often a driving factor in decisions about offshoring and contract manufacturing. Companies must consider not only labor costs, but also transportation, tariffs, taxes, and potential hidden expenses. A thorough cost analysis helps businesses compare different manufacturing options and choose the most cost-effective solution without sacrificing quality or reliability. Navigating regulatory requirements is a key aspect of global manufacturing. Different countries have varying standards for safety, environmental protection, and labor practices. Companies must ensure that their manufacturing partners comply with all relevant regulations to avoid legal issues and protect their reputation. Regular audits and certifications can help verify compliance and maintain high standards. Working with partners in different countries can present cultural and communication challenges. Differences in language, business practices, and expectations can lead to misunderstandings and delays. Companies must invest in cross-cultural training and establish clear communication channels to bridge these gaps. Building mutual trust and respect is essential for successful collaboration in global manufacturing. Advancements in technology have transformed global manufacturing. Automation, data analytics, and digital communication tools enable companies to monitor production, track shipments, and maintain quality standards across borders. Investing in the right technology can improve efficiency, reduce errors, and provide real-time visibility into manufacturing operations. Managing risks is a critical part of global manufacturing and outsourcing. Companies should develop contingency plans for potential disruptions, such as natural disasters, political instability, or supply chain interruptions. Diversifying suppliers, maintaining safety stock, and regularly reviewing risk management strategies can help businesses stay resilient in the face of unexpected challenges. Sustainability is becoming increasingly important in global manufacturing. Companies are under pressure to minimize their environmental impact and adopt eco-friendly practices. This includes reducing waste, conserving energy, and sourcing materials responsibly. Sustainable manufacturing not only benefits the planet, but can also enhance brand reputation and attract environmentally conscious customers. Let's look at a real-world example of successful offshoring. A leading electronics company decided to move its manufacturing operations to a country with lower labor costs and a skilled workforce. By carefully selecting partners, implementing strict quality control, and investing in local training, the company was able to reduce costs and improve product quality. This case highlights the importance of strategic planning and ongoing management in offshoring decisions. Not all outsourcing stories have happy endings. In another case, a company faced significant challenges after outsourcing production to a contract manufacturer with poor quality control. The result was a wave of defective products, damaged reputation, and costly recalls. This example underscores the need for thorough due diligence and ongoing oversight when working with external manufacturing partners. Strong partnerships are the backbone of successful global manufacturing. Companies should invest time in building trust, aligning goals, and fostering open communication with their manufacturing partners. Regular meetings, joint problem-solving, and shared incentives can help create a collaborative environment that benefits both parties and leads to long-term success. Ongoing monitoring and auditing are essential for maintaining quality and compliance in global manufacturing. Companies should conduct regular site visits, review production records, and perform independent inspections. These activities help to identify issues early and ensure that manufacturing partners adhere to agreed-upon standards and regulations. Global manufacturing landscape is constantly evolving. Companies must be agile and ready to adapt to changes in market demand, technology, and regulations. This may involve shifting production to new locations, updating processes, or investing in new capabilities. Staying flexible and proactive helps businesses stay competitive in a dynamic environment. Effective leadership is vital for navigating the complexities of global manufacturing and outsourcing. Leaders must set clear strategies, communicate expectations, and foster a culture of continuous improvement. By empowering teams and encouraging innovation, leaders can drive success and ensure that manufacturing operations align with overall business goals. Looking ahead, several trends are shaping the future of global manufacturing. These include increased automation, the rise of smart factories, and greater emphasis on sustainability. Companies that embrace these trends and invest in new technologies will be better positioned to compete in the global marketplace. Staying informed and adaptable is key to long-term success. Finding the right balance between cost and quality is a constant challenge in global manufacturing. While reducing expenses is important, cutting corners can lead to quality issues and long-term damage to brand reputation. Companies must prioritize quality while seeking cost-effective solutions, ensuring that their products meet customer expectations and regulatory requirements. Investing in employee training and development is essential for maintaining high standards in global manufacturing. Well-trained workers are better equipped to follow quality procedures, adapt to new technologies, and solve problems on the production line. Ongoing training programs help ensure that employees stay up to date with industry best practices and contribute to continuous improvement. Meeting customer expectations is at the heart of successful manufacturing. Companies must listen to customer feedback, monitor market trends, and continuously improve their products and processes. By focusing on quality, reliability, and innovation, businesses can build strong customer relationships and drive long-term growth. Globalization has intensified competition in the manufacturing sector. Companies must constantly innovate and improve efficiency to stay ahead. This means leveraging global resources, adopting best practices, and staying alert to changes in the competitive landscape. Success in global manufacturing requires a combination of strategic vision, operational excellence, and adaptability. Conclusion: global manufacturing and outsourcing present both opportunities and challenges. Companies must carefully weigh the benefits of offshoring and contract manufacturing against the risks, with a strong focus on quality control and strategic management. Making informed decisions, investing in relationships, and staying agile, businesses can thrive in the ever-evolving world of global manufacturing.